Guys, Brian with East Stride DIY. This is the Harbor Freight website, and this is the January savings event. Now, this is going to be 30% off as is and clearance items. But if you're in the 40% in the Inside Track Club, you're going to get 40% off, and you can join anytime. This is good from January 21st, which is today, through the 26th, while supplies last. All right, guys, check out this Apache 5800 weatherproof protective rolling carry-on case. This is an extra large case. You're saving 50% on this, so it's only 49. It was 99. And this is apparently watertight, dust tight, and impact resistant. You can see the different look of it here, and this you can put a padlock on it as well if you need to. And this is kind of the size of it with looks like some guy carrying it. First up, guys, we have this US General 27-inch by 22-inch top chest, Series 3. Comes in all these different colors over here to the side. And this is going to be $219. It was $249, so you're saving 30 bucks. These are the different pictures of it. It's saying at the top chest adds 7 drawers and 7,600 cubic inches of storage space. This is from Diamondback. It's a 10 amp, 7-inch wet tile saw with sliding table. Now you're saving $100 on this. $199. It was $299. And it's saying it can power through porcelain, stone, and masonry up to 2¼ inches thick. Now from Pittsburgh, they had this 2-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump in slate gray. This is $79. It was $119, so you're saving 40 bucks on this. And this is the one that lifts your car in just 3.5 pumps. I think it only comes in gray, unfortunately. But next up from Hercules, we've got this 15 amp 10-inch compact job site table saw with rack and pinion fence. $279. You're saving 100 bucks on this one. And this is, you got that pinion fence and for highly accurate adjustments here. Then Bauer, they have this 12 amp 7-inch variable speed rotary polisher and sander. $69. It was $99, so you're saving 30% on this one. And they have those variable speed settings, which you can adjust to output precisely match what type of work you're doing, it's saying. Now, this is the Badland Apex 12,000-pound winch with steel rope and wireless remote. $499, you're saving 80 bucks here. And this is saying it's built for extreme conditions and includes a wireless remote, 80-foot steel rope, and forged alloy hook. Now from Pittsburgh, it's this tool set with cases, 146-piece tool set. I don't know why they don't have any more pictures. It's 49 bucks. You're saving 23%. It was $64. For $64, you're saving 23% on this Daytona 350-pound capacity premium adjustable headrest creeper. So you can see the headrest goes up, and it has 4 different positions, it's saying, with the max weight of 350 pounds. And there's someone using it in the picture. From Storehouse, this is 24-bin benchtop parts rack. So if you need to put some small parts, you can go ahead and label them across the front. You've got 3 different rows. And this is a 30% off savings at $34. It was $49 here. Pittsburgh, they have this V-Groove metric combo wrench set. It's a 14-piece set. You're saving 44% on this. It was 44. It's now 24. And this is a combo wrenches that have a V-groove open end for better contact and reduced wear on the fasteners. Franklin is this 1,000-pound capacity heavy-duty hand truck. It's 79 bucks. It was 99, so you're saving 20% on this one. Just a standard nice hand truck. And from Voyager is this 12-inch tool bag with 21 different pockets. $339. You're saving 57% on this. It's pretty good savings. It was like 8 bucks, so now it's over half off, and it's got the 21 different pockets if you just need a small bag if you're bringing it to like a certain job or something. It's from Bowers, their 20-volt lithium-ion rapid charger for $19. You're saving 39% off on this one, and a lot of these you can get at a high percentage off without the Inside Track Club. So these prices are, I'm pretty sure these are without the Inside Track Club, but you can save extra with the Inside Track Club. So, and this charges their 20-volt batteries in as little as 65 minutes, they're saying. Now from Warrior is this 12-volt cordless 3/8 of an inch drill kit with battery and charger. Let me know if you guys have tried Warrior before. I have not tried it. I know it seems more like the budget brand I mean, for 14 bucks for a drill kit, it's worth it to at least try it out and to give it a review. One of these days, I should probably do a review on Warrior product. They've got these Bunker Hill security ammo boxes. You can store whatever you need to in them. It's $4.79, 52% off. They're always on sale here for some reason at Harbor Freight, both the large and the smaller boxes, for whatever reason. So you can usually get these at least 30 to 50% off. And from Atlas is this 80 volt, 4 amp hour, and 40 volt, 8 amp hour extreme performance lithium ion battery. 199. It's $50, or you're saving $50. It was 249. So they're saying this battery uses 21,700 battery cell technology to get longer runtime, 60% more power. And they use these in their outdoor tools, really, like their chainsaws, their blowers, high power battery, but it is one of their more expensive batteries. Now from Hercules, this is 12 volt, 2 amp hour lithium ion compact lightweight battery for 19 bucks. It's a 20% savings. And this is saying it just delivers a higher runtime with a smaller package, and you're getting a 3-year warranty on this battery. Now from Icon, they have this 3/8 of an inch drive, 20 by 100 foot professional click torque wrench. You're saving $40 at $69. It was 109. They're saying this delivers precise accuracy for perfect bolt down. It does come with a little carrying case as well, which is nice. Yeah, from Bauer, they have the 20 volt lithium ion 3 amp rapid plus battery charger. 28% off. It's $24. It was $34. But this one, it's saying it charges batteries 75% faster. And it's compact, prevents overheating, overcharging, all that good stuff. Bauer, they have this 7.5 amp half-inch low-speed spade handle drill mixer. 44 bucks, it's 30% off. And this is saying it's delivering maximum torque for their tougher jobs here, showing the different 3-position handle and reversible speed of 0 to 600 RPMs, and then the all steel half-inch chuck. Now from Pittsburgh Pro, they've got this half-inch drive, 25-inch breaker bar, 12 bucks. You're saving 27% on this. They just have a lot of different random things here. You can go on the website, check it out for yourself. But if you do like this kind of content, go ahead and hit like, go ahead and leave a comment. It does help the algorithm. But next up, we're going to check out this cold chisel and punch set. It's a 12-piece set. $9.99. You're going to be saving 33%. Now from Pittsburgh is this SAE Metric Star folding hex key set. It's a 3-piece set. You can keep these in your uh, near your workbench or in your tool chest. It has 3 color-coded folding hex key wrench sets, and these are 51% off. Next from Pittsburgh Pro, you've got this half-inch drive metric socket set. It's a 16-piece set, 21 bucks, and you're saving 21%. It does include the ratchet and the most popular socket sizes. Now from Hercules, this is a 37% off savings on their 20 volt cordless 6.5-inch circular saw. Now this is the tool only. If it was the kit, this would be quite a deal, but it was 79, it's 49, so you're saving 37% on this one. And it's saying with this, you get more cuts per charge with their circular saw brand. Kind of scrolling down, you get the other pictures here. It does have a bright LED light, a rafter hook. Now, Bauer has this 12 amp, 115 mph, 805 CFM electric jet fan blower for $54. You're saving 28%. And it's saying it delivers 2 times max airflow for large leaf blowing jobs. If you haven't gotten those leaves up, this could be an option, and this is corded, so just keep that in mind. It's not a cordless one. They've got this 6-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader for $189. You're saving 52%. Was $399, so something to pick up if you're in store, and you might need one for gluing some wood together, doing some small projects. Now this is a 14.5 amp, 16-inch electric chainsaw for $64. You're saving 13%. It was $74. And this is what it looks like here. Nice size as far as 16 inches, but just a standard chainsaw. It is corded, so keep that in mind. But for the price, it's a little bit off. So this is a Banks 15-degree coil roofing nailer. Looks like about 4.5 stars, $99. You're saving 30 bucks. It's built for all types of asphalt shingles and tar paper. This is from Pittsburgh. It's a upholstery and trim tool set. It's a 5-piece set if you're installing carpet or removing door panels, clips, trim, molding, etc. Here, $9.99. It was $15.99. And they've got these Avanti 2-inch short angle paint brushes. They're saying best quality on these, $3.49. You're saving 30%. And these are the polyester blend bristles. Now, I really love these brushes. I might actually pick one of these up because these are great because the handle actually kind of bends and moves in your hand. So you're not really limited if you have wrist problems or sore joints. These can really move. These are great for like getting some edges or, getting trim and kind of trimming in. This is one of the kind of better brushes for that, at least the design. We would pick these up from Lowe's, but definitely like these type of brushes. Now this is their Icon 73-inch by 25-inch pro grade roll cab in red. So 24.99. It was 29.99. You're saving 500 bucks here. And this is kind of if you're thinking of going all out and you need a large roll cab for your mechanics work or your shop or garage, whatever you need it. It comes in these different colors, red, it looks like black, blue, and green. Um, they have free door-to-door delivery, so you don't have to worry about shipping, taking it home, and they do have a lifetime warranty uh, with all their replacement parts available. These are just some pictures of you can put all your different drills in one of the drawers. It's big enough for that, and you can put. This looks like he has different batteries in one of the drawers with like a charger. It has the little charging port in the side of one of the drawers, which is really nice. And then it has a little flap table that comes out, and then multiple different other things here. These are some more pictures how you can kind of set it up. You can kind of stack it like that, or even have it like the now, Cover Pro. This is a 10 by 20-foot portable car canopy, saving 40 bucks at 89. It was 129. So this is just going to be able to shelter your or shield your vehicle from outdoor elements. Say you just, cleaned, waxed your car, whatever you did to it, or you just want to protect it and you don't have necessarily a garage or something like that, you can easily just set this up and not have to worry about your vehicle there. So thanks so much, guys, for checking out this video. It's just kind of some random things. I came across their website and it said they were having a January savings event. So I wanted to check it out. It's only for 5 days, but again, they always do these kind of things where it's their intermediate events between their big events like Black Friday, Spring Black Friday, and their parking lot sales.